Welcome to AI Portal, your gateway to learning artificial intelligence. Today we're tackling a question that often trips people up. What's the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning? These terms are often used interchangeably, but they're not the same. By the end of this video, you'll understand the distinction, see real-world examples in action, and have the confidence to explain it to anyone. Let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is a broad field of computer science focused on creating machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. But what does that mean exactly? At its core, AI is about mimicking human capabilities, like reasoning, decision-making, understanding language, and recognizing patterns. One way to think about AI is as an umbrella term that covers everything from simple systems that automate tasks, like chatbots, to advanced systems that simulate human cognition, like self-driving cars. AI systems often rely on a mix of technologies, including algorithms, natural language processing, and vision recognition. Take Siri or Alexa as an example. These virtual assistants are powered by AI to process your voice, interpret your request, and respond in a way that feels natural. But AI isn't just about conversations, it's everywhere. In healthcare, AI helps doctors by scanning thousands of medical images to detect anomalies that might take a human hours to find. In business, AI analyzes mountains of data to help companies predict market trends or optimize logistics. AI isn't static, it evolves. As more data becomes available and computational power grows, AI systems improve, learning to perform even more complex tasks. For instance, AI in robotics enables machines to perform delicate surgeries with precision, while in finance, it detects fraudulent transactions almost instantly. AI is used in so many areas of life. Can you think of one surprising way you've seen AI used? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now let's dive into machine learning, often referred to as ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on one thing, teaching machines to learn from data. Unlike traditional programming, where every step is manually coded, machine learning systems analyze data, find patterns, and improve their performance over time. Think of it this way. If AI is the overall concept of making machines intelligent, machine learning is one of the tools used to achieve that goal. A great analogy is learning to play a game. If AI is like learning the rules and understanding how to play, machine learning is like practicing the game repeatedly until you get better at it. For example, machine learning is behind the recommendation algorithms you see on platforms like Netflix or YouTube. It learns your preferences by analyzing your viewing habits and then suggests content you're likely to enjoy. It's also used in image recognition. When your phone identifies your face to unlock, that's machine learning at work. And in transportation, ride-sharing apps like Uber use machine learning to predict demand and optimize routes. But machine learning isn't magic. It requires data, lots of it. The more data a system has to learn from, the better its predictions and performance become. However, this also raises questions about privacy and data ethics, which we'll explore in future episodes. Now that we've covered the basics of AI and machine learning, let's break down the key differences. Think of AI as the big picture. It's about creating machines that can think and act intelligently. Machine learning, on the other hand, is just one way to achieve AI. It's like comparing a toolbox to a single tool in that box. Let's use an analogy. Imagine AI as a delicious cake. The cake represents the complete system capable of intelligent behavior. Machine learning, then, is one of the key ingredients, like flour. Without flour, you can still have other ways to make a cake, but it won't taste the same. Here's another example. A self-driving car. The AI system controls the car's overall behavior, when to accelerate, when to brake, and how to navigate. But the machine learning algorithms within the system are what allow the car to learn from data, like recognizing pedestrians or understanding road signs. The AI ensures the car functions as a whole, while machine learning focuses on specific tasks to make it smarter over time. So, while all machine learning is AI, not all AI is machine learning. AI can include systems that don't learn from data, like rule-based systems, which follow pre-programmed instructions. To truly understand the difference between AI and machine learning, let's look at real-world applications. In healthcare, AI systems are used for diagnosing diseases, planning treatments, and even assisting in surgeries. If machine learning is part of the system, it might analyze patient data to improve its accuracy over time. In agriculture, AI-powered drones can monitor crop health, while machine learning algorithms predict weather patterns to help farmers plan better. In retail, AI creates personalized shopping experiences, like tailoring recommendations to your preferences, and machine learning improves inventory management by predicting demand trends. Even in gaming, AI governs non-player characters, making them react intelligently to players. Machine learning, however, can allow those characters to adapt and improve their behavior based on gameplay data. So, to recap, AI is the broad goal of making machines intelligent, capable of performing tasks that mimic human intelligence. Machine learning is one of the ways we achieve that goal by teaching machines to learn from data. They're closely related but serve different purposes. If you're excited to learn more about AI and explore the latest trends and tools, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below with any questions you have about AI. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on AI Portal, where we unlock the potential of artificial intelligence together.